friends, all is well. Welcome back to English class. Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem of our English book Marigold. And the name of the poem is My Shadow. Children, this poem has been composed by Robert Louis Stevenson, or you can call R.L. Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist, poet and travel writer. He was born on 13th November 1850. In this poem, the poet has described the excitement of a child who is fascinated, who is attracted by his own shadow. Children, before starting this poem, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever noticed whenever there is light, someone follows you? Let me give you some hints. It looks exactly same like you. It does whatever you do. It follows wherever you go. Have you got an idea what I'm talking about? So let's enjoy the poem, My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He's very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So now let's understand the poem stanza wise. First stanza, I have a little shadow. In this stanza, children, the poet says that the little boy has a shadow which goes everywhere with him. Wherever child goes, the shadow follows the child. He feels that his shadow is useful to him. He finds some uses of his shadow. The boy says that his shadow is similar to him. The speaker of the poem says that his shadow looks exactly same like him. From heels to head, from tip to toe, shadow is exactly same like the speaker. And his shadow follows him whatever he does. Whatever action child does, the shadow also does the same action. Next stanza, the funniest thing about him. So in this stanza, the boy says that his shadow doesn't grow slowly like all children grow. In fact, he is surprised, he is shocked to see. Sometimes it becomes tall, it means shadow. Sometimes shadow becomes tall like an India rubber ball which becomes tall. And sometimes the shadow becomes so short that it is almost invisible. And you know why it happens, children? According to different time of the day, the shadow takes different size. Next stanza, one morning. In this stanza, the child shares his experience of one morning when he gets up and goes out. When he goes out, he observes the shining dew. Do you know? The drop of water in the morning. So he finds the dew on every buttercup. What is buttercup, children? It's a flower name. Yes. So child finds a shining bright dew on every buttercup flower. But he's surprised to see, now he's shocked to see that his shadow is not with him. He thinks his shadow is very lazy and who wants to sleep in the bed and is still sleeping in the bed when child comes out in the morning. Children, now we learn about some rhyming words. Do you remember what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words that have the same or similar ending sound. In this poem, My Shadow, let's read the stanza 1 and try to find out the rhyming words. Read with me, children. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He's very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now, when we read these 4 lines of our poem, what rhyming words we get? Me and see, because it is having the same sound. Me, see. Head, bed. So, the words which have the exactly same ending sound, those words are called rhyming words. Now, other rhyming words from the poem, from paragraph 2, stanza 2 are grow slow, ball, all. And in paragraph 3, what are rhyming words? Up, buttercup, sleepyhead, bed. So, I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.